Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss types of symmetry groups or point groups. In CSR NET and SET exam and GATE exam also, question may be asked for 4 marks, 2 marks. So let us start with the types of groups. The first type is molecules with lower symmetry. Molecules with lower symmetry. It means there is no symmetry element present in these molecules. It means that there is a only identity element is present. Always remember, when any molecule does not contain any symmetry element, it must contain identity element, which is denoted by E. And every object on this earth having identity element. For example, carbon, iodine, fluorine, bromine and chlorine atom. So mono, iodo, chloro, fluoro and fluoromethane. It has no symmetry element. It means that there is only one operation CNN, which is equivalent to identity E. Therefore the point group is C1, means only one operation is possible, and which is identity. Okay, so this molecule has a C1 point group. Then second type of group is molecules with plane only. Molecules with plane of symmetry only. Molecules with plane of symmetry. For example, phenol. Here only plane of symmetry is present, and such molecule has a CS point group. This S means sigma, because plane of symmetry is denoted by sigma. Also, aniline molecule also contain one plane, because the third is the lone pair. So there is no axis of symmetry, because these two hydrogens are above the plane. So this also contains a CS point group. Then third type of point group is molecules with center of inversion only. Molecules with center of inversion, that is I. Molecules with I only. For example, This structure contains only center of symmetry. The center of gravity point is here. So if you move this side, you have fluorine atom. If you move this side, you have fluorine atom at same point. Here chlorine, another side chlorine, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. So this molecule must contain center of inversion, that is I. Therefore that types of molecules having point group Ci. Ci means only center of inversion. Then comes molecules with higher symmetry element. Molecules with high symmetry elements. They have different types of point group. Cn, CnV, C infinity V, CnH. So we have seen Cn is the molecules with axis of symmetry only. Axis of symmetry. Then, for example, this molecule, triphenylphosphine. Triphenylphosphine. It contains only axis of symmetry and it C3 axis. So the point group is C3 only. Now CnV point group contains Cn plus vertical plane. Cn plus vertical plane. For example, water molecule. H2O. It has C2 axis and vertical plane. Therefore, the point group is C2V. Now this axis, and how can you draw plane? Let me show you. So you can cut this molecule into two equivalent half. Therefore it contains vertical plane. Therefore V is denoted. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2. It also contains C2 axis plus vertical plane. Therefore it has point group C2V. Ammonia molecule NH3. It contains C3 axis plus vertical plane. So the point group is C3V. In case of BRF5, the structure is pyramidal. Therefore, it has a C4 axis plus vertical plane. So the point group is C4V. Now, in case of CNH, it contains CN, that is axis plus horizontal plane. Example of this point group is trans hydrogen peroxide. H2O2. It has C2 axis plus horizontal plane. Like this. Another example of CNH point group is boric acid. H3BO3. It contains C3 plus horizontal plane. So the point group is C3H for boric acid. In case of infinity, the example is hydrogen cyanide, H C triple bond N. So it contains infinite axis. So C infinity plus vertical plane. Therefore, the point group is C infinity V. Also, carbon double bond oxygen double bond sulfur. This group also has C infinity V point group. Isocyanate group, that is R N double bond C double bond O. This is again a linear molecule and it contains infinite axis of symmetry plus vertical plane. So the point group is C infinity V. So in this way you can determine the point group of some molecules. In next lecture we will come with another types of point groups. Thank you very much.